How you doing, everyone? Welcome back. Hope you're having a great day. Gonna have a really quick look at Moss Carbon and slight giggle because following my last video, this thing took off. So it did slightly travel under the cloud as predicted. Wasn't happy to stay there, so we had a really quick back test off of 618. Took off, blew through the cloud. Sadly, we didn't hold support above it because if we had done, we'd have really skyrocketed. But what we have managed to do is stay within the cloud, testing the top and bottom, broken above, literally met the same resistance at 1254. So I'm just going to mark that because although it's not shown with Fibonacci, it is a significant resistance for us to break through, and it's where we were held previously as well. So currently we're within the cloud, which is not an unhappy place to be. So what to look for now, I'm just going to move my wonky line, is going to be something to that effect, where we may actually come back and retest the bottom of the cloud, break out of it, move sideways, and then launch from the Ishimoku, but not backwards, just upwards. Or worst case scenario, what will happen is we will move sideways along the cloud, testing top and bottom, and then at a certain given point in time may tail off. So if we don't manage to move sideways and break above, and then have a launch from the Ishimoku, we probably will tail back to the areas that I sort of described in the last video, to circa, we could come down to 1090, possibly lower, before we go again. But really good. This is really good for MCO2. It's showing good bullish tendencies. I didn't expect it. I mean, as you can see, when we've been below the cloud, we really have tailed off before we've tried to go again, been blocked, etc. So for us to have this really bullish move, it's good. It's really good. And just now we've just started to have a little green candle moving up. Yeah, fingers crossed. Let's see where this one takes us. But until we break above, it's basically until we break out of the cloud and then break above 1254, that's going to be our window of blockage. And if we can't clear the cloud, then we'll realistically tail back to 1117, possibly even back to 1090, and sub lower. Yeah, we're just moving sideways. I'm going to jump to the 1 minute candle. Yeah, there's not a huge amount going on. We are static. It's not a bad thing to see, but again, we've legged down, been static. If we leg back up to circa 1223, I'm just going to bring that back to the hourly. That would be basically a what's the word? Consolidation. Sorry, my brain is so full of tokenomics right now. I've had a whole morning of research. So yeah, it looks like we're going to consolidate before we make another move. What we need to do is consolidate within the cloud and have a bounce from it. If we consolidate and get rejected, then we're going to lose support and tail off. Slightly longer than it needed to be because I couldn't get the words, but you've got them now. Best of luck. See you on the next one.